So here we are at Best Buy for the launch of Pokemon Sword and Shield. We're back at Best Buy with bug spray in tow and no camouflage hat. 1 hour from launch and we have everything. I forgot the snake bite kit.
नमस्कार, इस वक्त की सनसनीखेज खबर आ रही है कि तस्वीर में दिख रहा ये शख्स जो पहले बड़ा अमीर हुआ करता था।
After experiencing a true midnight launch for the first time, I've got to admit,
this blows.
Fuck! Hey all, Scott here, and this is bad. Real bad!
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill your whole motherfucking family.
What the hell? I thought the hat was guarding everything. Oh, fuck. It was camo, nobody could see it, that's right.
GameStop may have had a bigger turnout, but Best Buy's where the true midnight launch experience is at.
Oh, it's midnight.
Yeah, this one wasn't doing the launch. Okay, back to GameStop, where I was supposed to pre-order the game before waiting in line.
I bought a balance board instead.